welcome back to our step-by-step working to the intermediate bats. We go on step 2. And we're gonna add others exercise to your basic step 1 intermediate level. So you're gonna bend your knees to your chest. You lift the head up. Now we know how working the 100. Lengthening the legs and you beat. If you need to bend your knees, do so. I hope that those little step-by-steps will help you to build up a great intermediate mat work at home. See you next time for step 3. Bye.